Hi guys, welcome to another new video. This is about the biggest fruit market in Africa, which is at Ketu, Lagos, Nigeria. But the road is something else, guys. As you can see from there, the road is very bad. So guys, this is the market now. As you can see, this is the entrance. I'm entering inside, and the first side you're going to see is called the banana slash plantain section. They have section by section. As you can see, they are like sweet beautiful plantains and banana everywhere. I was just like, oh, because I'm a lover of plantain, I was like, let me just pack everything and go to my house. But it's money. It's not cheap, guys. It's money. Everything these days is coming so expensive. But what I don't really like about this section is the road. As you can see, the road is not nice, but the plantain are looking heavenly, guys. What I mean heavenly. So guys, I saw another type of banana. Just watch. I was surprised.
Na question I can't ask abeg. Which kind banana be this?
Na Olosun be this. Olosun.
Olosu.
You sabi this one.
E dey taste like normal banana.
This one na ripe one. E go sweet well well.
Last time I dey say, I just say
Guys, seriously, I can't remember the name that he called that banana, but the banana looks so different. I decided to ask. So this is actually the market. I just want you to like have a street view of it before I go to like different sections. So let's move, guys.
let me do that. How many baskets dey sell?
I'm not saying basket, na 50 pieces.
Huh?
50 pieces, no basket.
So 50 pieces how much for this
For
one?
this one, 2.5 plus.
Eh?
2.5.
How many go dey inside? 50.
So the orange you see there, they're not selling by basket. It's actually 50 pieces and it's 2,500, which I can't really convert it to dollar. Everything is expensive. Look at the sweet juicy watermelon. I didn't even price, guys, because if I price after I didn't buy orange, it's going to be something else. But look at the watermelon, guys. It looks so juicy, but I know it will be expensive, so I don't want to just be pricing. So we move.
The tangerine dey bitter or e sweet?
Don't sit.
And so una go tell me I go end up buy which ones dey sweet? These small ones or this one?
This is Tangerine. This is Tangerine.
Which of them wey sweet pass?
Melo. Melo is the one.
Okay, una no dey sell basket again. Wetin happen? Even orange. Why?
The market is not plenty.
So how much wey you do this one?
This one is 200.
Na the same thing na no put jara.
So guys, I bought the tangerine. It's actually 5,200 naira. Then I asked of the pineapple. They say that small pineapple there is 300 naira. I didn't buy, guys. It's expensive. I do buy that same in my street, so I can equally afford it there.
Just one o.
300. One. One. This one is not there.
Okay, this
Front one to 200 naira.
This one join.
200.
Guys, I know by now you guys guessed it. I love cheap things because I'm still single and I'm not rich. So I bought that plantain for 200 naira, which is quite expensive because it does not look fresh. But we move.
What they say? This small tangerine. How many go there inside? No, give me 500. But now this one will not know how many way they inside.
So I was discussing about the tangerine. I don't know how many is inside, and she want me to buy the bowl there for 500. Normally it's 7 or 8 for 200 naira, so I don't want to be like to buy what I don't know. So we move.
This size.
So the pineapple, they said one is actually 500, and that's expensive. I thought they would be cheap, but it's very very fresh. We move, guys. We move.
Don't say I eat this thing. I just say the one way sweet. You know, say me I not get.
So guys, I don't know if you guys know about this. This is called sugar cane. So I was so tired and I needed some sugar in my body. I just decided to buy it, to wash it at home and freeze it so I can chew it. So that's the end of the vlog. So if you like this kind of content, comment down to tell me, and tell me the ones you also like, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks
For watching. Please support